KURINJI Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
KURINJI Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, now we are discussing binomial theorem. Okay, up to example 7 we discussed. Example 8, the second, third and fourth terms in the binomial expansion of x plus a whole power n are 240, 720 and 1080. Find x, a and n. Now what is given here? The second term, third term and fourth terms in the binomial expansion of x plus a whole power n are 240, 720 and 1080. But T2 given as 240, T3 given as 720 and T4 given as 1080. Okay? T2 is 240, but TR plus 1, general term TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r into a power r. Now using this T2 what we can write? T1 plus 1, so r is equal to how much? 1. Okay, r is equal to 1. So T2 what we get? NC1 x power n minus 1 into a power 1. So this is how much? 240. Okay, I'll mark this one as 1. Okay. Now third term T3 given as 720, T3 is nothing but T2 plus 1, TR plus 1, TR plus 1 form, that is T2 plus 1 is equal to NC2 x power n minus 2 into a power 2. Okay, this is equal to how much? 720. Okay, I'll mark this one as 3. And T4 is given as 1080. T4 what we can write? T3 plus 1, that is NC3 x power n minus 3 into a power 3. This is equal to how much? 1080. Now here we have to find n value, x value and a value. For this I'll consider 2 upon 1. Okay, 2 divided by 1. So this is how much? 2. Equation 2 is what? NC2 upon NC2 into x power n minus 2 into a power 2 upon NC1 x power n minus 1 into a power 1 is equal to 720 upon 240. 720 upon 240. So right hand side 0 0 cancel, 24 ones, 24 threes. This is right hand side is how much? 3. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. Now what about left hand side? Left hand side what we have? NC2 into x power n minus 2 into a power 2 in numerator, NC1 x power n minus 1 into a in denominator. So NC2, my NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, and NC1 is n. Now if you observe here, x power n minus 2 in numerator and x power n minus 1 in denominator. Okay, now here denominator is having one extra x than in numerator, or else denominator x power n minus 2 we can write as x power n minus denominator x power n minus 1 we can write as x power n minus 2 into x. So x power n minus 2 in numerator, x power n minus 2 in denominator cancel. So what we have? X in denominator. And numerator a square by a, one a cancel, a in numerator. So what we have, n into n minus 1 by 2 into a in numerator, nx in denominator. Right hand side 3 by 1. My n cancel, n cancel, and what we have, n minus 1 by 2 into a by x is equal to how much? 3 by 1. So if we cross multiply to this side, so what we have, n minus 1 into a by x is equal to 6. So from here, what we can write, a by x is equal to 6 by n minus 1. Okay, cross multiplying n minus 1 this side. So a by x is equal to 6 upon n minus 1. I'll mark this one as 4. I'll mark this one as 4. Okay, next. Well, like 2 divided by 1. Next one is 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 gives, 3 is what? NC3 x power n minus 3 into a power 3. Okay, so 1080. And 2 is what? NC2 x power n minus 2 into a power 2. Okay, that is 720. Okay, now here NC3 is what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2. This is NC3 ma. Actually NC3 is n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, so n factorial, what we can write? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Okay, n minus 3 factorial numerator, n minus 3 factorial denominator cancel. So NC3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. Also NC2 in denominator. NC2 is what? N into n minus 1 by 2. My numerator x power n minus 3, denominator x power n minus 2. So denominator is having one more extra x than in numerator. So x power n minus 3 in numerator, x power n minus 3 in denominator cancel. We have x in denominator. And a power 3 upon a power 2 is a in numerator. So what we have, a by x here, and my n cancel, n minus 1 cancel, 2 cancel. Okay, so what else we have here? Okay, right hand side 720 by 1080 by 720. So 10 cancel first of all, 108 by 72. Okay, 12 table we can cancel, 12 6 in denominator, 12 9s in numerator. Again 3 cancel. Okay, so 3 by 2 right hand side is 3 by 2. Okay, clear? Now from here, a by x is equal to what we can write? Here n minus 1 2, n minus 1 by 2, n minus 1 by 2 cancel. So n minus 2 by 3 into a by x is 3 by 2. So a by x, what we get? A by x is 9 by 2 into n minus 2. 9 by 2 into n minus 2. So a by x equal to 9 by 2 into n minus 2. I'll mark this one as 5. Okay, now here in equation 4, a by x equal to 6 by n minus 1, and in 5 a by x equal to 9 by 2 into n minus 2. By equating 4 and 5, what we have? 6 by n minus 1 is equal to 9 by 2 into n minus 2. 6 by n minus 1 is equal to 9 by 2 into n minus 2. Okay, cancelling 3 on both sides and cross multiplying. So after simplification, what we got? 4 into n minus 2 equal to 3 into n minus 1. Okay, 4n minus 8 is equal to 3n minus 3. So 4n, 8 right this side and 3n this side. So 4n minus 3n, n is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. So n value is how much? 5. N value 5. Okay, now by substituting n value 5 in equation 4, from 4, what we have? A by x is equal to 6 by n minus 1. 6 by n value 5, no? So 6 by 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. 6 by 4. So a by x is equal to 6 by 4. Okay, 2 cancel. My a by x equal to 3 by 2. So a is equal to what? 3 by 2 into x. A is equal to 3 by 2 into x. Okay, I'll mark this one as 6. Now from 1 what we have? NC1 into x power n minus 1 into a is equal to 240, where n value is how much? 5. So 5C1 is 5 into x power n minus 1, x power 5 minus 1, x power 4 into a is equal to 240. But what is a? A is 3 by 2 into x. In place of a, write a 3 by 2 into x. Okay, here 5 cancel on both sides. So x power 4 into 3 by 2 into x is equal to how much? 48. Okay, so x power 4 into x power 1, x power 5 into 3 by 2 is equal to 48. Okay, so x power 5 is equal to how much? 32. X power 5 32 means x is equal to how much? 2. X value is. Now substituting x value 2 in equation 6. Okay, from equation 6, a is equal to how much? 3 by 2 into x. A is equal to 3 by 2 into x. X value 2 cancel ma. So a value is how much? 3. So n is equal to 5, x equal to 2 and a is equal to 3. Okay, n 5, x 2 and a 3. Okay, these are the values, n value, x value and a value. Okay, next example 9, next question, example 9. Find the quotient of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus a power n are in the ratio 1:7:49. Find n value. The quotients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus a power n are in the ratio 1:7:42. The quotients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus a power n are in the ratio 1:7:42. Find n value. Find n value. Okay. Well, consider the consecutive terms in the expansion of a plus a power n, a plus 1 plus a power n are r minus 1th term, rth term and r plus 1th term. Okay, well, consider 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus a power n are r minus 1th term, rth term and r plus 1th term. So tr minus 1, r minus 1th term, tr minus 1, what we can write? Tr minus 2 plus 1. Okay, like tr plus 1 form I am writing. Tr minus 1 is equal to tr minus 2 plus 1 is equal to nc r minus 2 a power r minus 2. Okay. Now rth term tr is equal to what? Tr minus 1 plus 1. So this term what we can write? nc r minus 1 into a power r minus 1. Next tr plus 1th term, tr plus 1 is equal to what? My ncr a power r. Okay, in the expansion of 1 plus a power n, r minus 1th term, rth term and tr plus 1th term are nc r minus 2 into a power r minus 2, tr is equal to nc r minus 1 into a power r minus 1 and tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a power r. What is given here? 3 consecutive terms. Okay, quotients of 3 consecutive terms are in the ratio 1:7:42. Means ncr minus 2 is to ncr minus 1 is to ncr are in the ratio 1:7:42. Okay, given ncr minus 2 is to ncr minus 1 is to ncr is equal to 1:7:42. Okay, so I'll write like this one. I'll take ncr minus 1 upon ncr minus 2, ncr minus 1 upon ncr minus 2. This ratio is how much? 7/1. 7/1. Now ncr minus 1 upon ncr minus 2. ncr minus 1 is what? My n factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Numerator and denominator ncr minus 2 is n factorial by n minus of r minus 2 factorial into r minus 2 factorial equal to 7/1. Now here n factorial cancel. Now n minus of r minus 2 nothing but n minus r plus 2 factorial into r minus 2 factorial. This one comes to numerator. Denominator will be what? n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now further n minus r plus 2 factorial, that we can write as n minus r plus 2 into n minus r plus 1 factorial, like 10 factorial equal to 10 into 9 factorial, like that we'll write. and r minus 2 factorial as it is. Denominator n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial, I will write as r minus 1 into r minus 2 factorial. What is the advantage? N minus r plus 1 factorial in numerator, n minus r plus 1 factorial in denominator cancel. Okay, r minus 2 factorial in numerator, r minus 2 factorial in denominator cancel. So what we have, n minus r plus 2 in numerator upon r minus 1 in denominator is equal to 7 upon 1. Okay, cross multiply. So what we have, n minus r plus 2 is equal to 7 into r minus 1. Okay, so what we get, n minus 8r plus 9 equal to 0, because 7r comes to this side, minus 7r, already minus r is there, minus 8r. Okay, minus 7 comes to this side, plus 7, 2 plus 7, 9. So from here what we have to find? We have to find n, no? So I'll write r equal to something form. So 8r is equal to how much? N plus 9, r is equal to n plus 9 by 8. Okay, keep this one as it is, r is equal to n plus 9 by 8. Okay, from here we have one more ratio, that is NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to how much? 42 upon 7. Okay, NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial upon NCR minus 1 formula n factorial by n minus of r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial is equal to 42 upon 7 is 6. Okay, n factorial cancel, and this denominator comes to numerator, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial upon denominator is n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 6. Now numerator n minus r plus 1 factorial we can write as n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. R minus 1 factorial as it is. Denominator n minus r factorial as it is, and r factorial I will write as r into r minus 1 factorial is equal to 6. What is the advantage? Numerator n minus r factorial, denominator n minus r factorial cancel. Numerator r minus 1 factorial, denominator r minus 1 factorial cancel. So what we have, n minus r plus 1 is equal to 6 into r. Okay, so n plus 1 is equal to 7r, so r is equal to n plus 1 by 7. Okay, now from 1 and 2, from here what we have, r is equal to n plus 9 by 8, here r is equal to n plus 1 by 7. By equating these two, what we have, n plus 1 by 7 is equal to n plus 9 by 8. Cross multiply and simplify, what we get, n value is equal to 55. N value is equal to 55. Okay.
Last one. Last two.
Next, now we completed examples. Now we'll start exercise 8.2. Find the coefficient of x power 5 in the expansion of x plus 3 power 8. Find the quotient of x power 5 in the expansion of x plus 3 power 8. Okay. Now, first of all, I will write general term. What is general term? Tr plus 1 is equal to NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. Okay. Here, n is how much? 8. And y is how much? 3. So, Tr plus 1 is equal to 8Cr into x power 8 minus r into 3 power r. But what we need quotient of x power 5. So, x power 5 should be there, means 8 minus r has to be 5. So, put in place of r 3, so that 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. Put r is equal to 3. Then what we get? T 3 plus 1 is equal to 8C3 into x power 8 minus 3 into 3 power 3. Okay. So, what we can write? 8C3 into 3 power 3 into x power 8. So, x power 5. So, x power 5 quotient is what? X power 5 quotient of x power 5 is 8C3 into 3 power 3. 8C3 into 3 power 3. Okay, if you simplify this part, okay, 8C3 is 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So, 8 factorial by 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 power 3. So, 8 factorial what we can write? 18 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 factorial into 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 cube is 27. Now, 5 factorial in numerator, 5 factorial in denominator cancel. So, 3 to 6 cancel. So, 7 into 8, 56 into 27, what we get? 15 512. Okay, 1512. This is quotient of x power 5. Okay, next question, find coefficient of a power 5 into b power 7, a power 5 into b power 7 in the expansion of a minus 2b power 12. Find the quotient of a power 5 b power 7 in the expansion of a minus 2b power 12. First of all, I will write general term. General term tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power r into, here in place of n what we have 12. Okay, in place of x we have a, in place of y we have 2b. So minus 1 power r into 12cr, a power 12 minus r into 2b power r. Okay, so what we need? We need quotient of a power 5 b power 7. So b power has to be 7, r has to be 7. So put r equal to 7. To put r equal to 7, what we get? We get t 7 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 power 7 into 12c7 into a power 12 minus 7 into 2b power 7. So nothing but minus 1 power odd number is minus 12c7 into a power 5, here b power 7 and 2 power 7. So minus 12c7 into 2 power 7 into a power 5 into b power 7. So what is quotient of a power 5 b power 7? Quotient of a power 5 b power 7 is minus 12c7 2 power 7. Okay, so quotient of a power 5 b power 7 in the expansion of a minus 2b power 12 is minus 12c7 2 power 7. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.